Alright guys, so I just got this in the mail straight from Japan. I got this off eBay.
Alright guys, before we start the video, I just want to show you guys the work wheels I do have for sale still. This is the only item I have from the E210 available. They are 5x100, 18 by 8.5. The offset is plus 44. If you guys are interested, make sure to hit me up on Instagram, bronze.back-E210. Let's get right into the video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today we're going to do my first mod ever on the Corolla. This is actually my sequential LED lights from my old hatch. I can confirm that these do fit on the GR Corolla hatch. It's the same thing. For my returning E210 owners, you already saw this video, but this video is mostly for the new GR owners that haven't seen these sequential lights. These are so sick because it can go from this to this. So I'm going to do it a little different this time. So the OEM, as you can see, it has like the spongy material to block any rattle. I didn't have any rattle problems with this, but I'm definitely going to put some spongy material on this just to keep it as OEM as possible. The material I'm going to use is going to be a little bit different, but it should work the same. I'll leave a link down in the description for that spongy material I'm going to place around here, but it's a fairly simple install. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright, so the first step you have to do is you just have to pry open this little spot right here. It's a little difficult. You can use a plastic screwdriver or use a panel popper, how I'm going to use it. Removing this panel first does help it out when you want to remove the actual mirror cover.
And then the next step you want to do after taking this little panel off from the underside, you want to turn it around, grab it from this angle, and just pry it up and pull it out. It's going to be a little hard, so just be careful. You don't want to break anything, but you do want to give it a little force. In my previous video, I had taken out the mirror, but you don't have to do that. I did that because I didn't want to break the mirror cap, but you don't have to do that. So it just pops out like that. Make sure you didn't break anything. You just make sure all the tabs are in there, and this is good. So it just has these little tabs that it's on. You just pull it out, and you want to disconnect the connector, and it's ready to go. So I cut my strip of little spongy material off, and I'm just gonna apply it here. So now the foam is on there, and now we can add the cover. So I just test fit it on there to make sure none of the foam is exposed, and it is not. On my other attempt, I put a little too much foam and it was poking out. Make sure you cut the exact length so no foam will be exposed. Connect this guy here, and you put it back onto the little tabs. Make sure it doesn't wiggle. And putting this on is a little tricky. Alright, so there it is. You can see there's no foam sticking out, so I know it won't rattle. This is my first mod of the Corolla. Plenty more to come. I did tint my windows. I do have some parts there for the next video. Let's see if you guys can guess what those are. Alright guys, so I just got this in the mail straight from Japan. I got this off eBay. This is my first reaction of it. So it's a little GR Corolla. I will put a link down in the description where you guys can cop this. Such a cool little collectible to have. This is officially branded by Toyota, so this is the real deal. comes in its little jewelry box, which is pretty cool. And it has this display carton box. And I'm gonna open this up. Sorry for you hardcore collectors that don't open your stuff up. I know this is probably hurting your heart right now, but I'm a collector, but not that hardcore of a collector. So that's how it looks. Pretty dope. I do have the bronze E210 as well, but this is just so much cooler. See if we can open this guy. Can we open this guy? Oh yeah, you can. Can you take this guy off is a real question. The wheel spin. Oh yeah, has two Phillips right here. I'm not gonna take it off at the moment, but I will take it off and put it in my toolbox. I'll show you guys my toolbox where I have my other E210. Such a clean little addition. Alright guys, so I am hitting 2,000 miles on my Corolla. So I am going to make a video of changing the oil for the first time. You're supposed to change the oil at 2,500. I'm definitely going to show you guys how to do the oil change, and I'm going to show you the condition of the oil. I also am going to change my diff oil. I was advised by one of my mates from Australia to change the differential oil as well. I'm going to show you guys in depth how that oil looks. At the same time, I'm going to show you guys how to change your GR Corolla oil. So that's going to be two birds with one stone. And I'm going to show you guys the underside, how my brakes are doing at 2,500 miles. So it's going to be a good little video. That should be my next video. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. It was a short little video, but it's a quick little mod that you can do to your car, and it's just the little details that count for me. I have plenty of parts for my other Corolla that I'm going to put onto this Corolla. This video is mostly for the GR Corolla owners because I know this content's a little bit recycled, because I know all you E210 owners already have these mods, but this is specific for the GR Corolla. I'm kind of like a guinea pig on seeing what parts from the other Corolla fits on this Corolla. I do have a couple parts coming in from the old Corolla to fit on this Corolla. I have a bunch of content in line. I'm going to ceramic coat my car, 2,500 break-in oil change. I have 2 more mod videos, just cosmetic mods, nothing crazy. So stay tuned. I'm going to grind in the month of February, so please stay tuned. I'm going to try to upload at least 4 videos that February. I'm going to have a lot of interesting content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.